Airplanes make great artificial reefs for two major reasons. One, they're made out of a weather-resistant metal called aluminum. That's a bluefin trevally. He's checking you out. He can see you.
Hi everybody. Today it's gonna be a quick one. I'm probably gonna join this on another unboxing because only this came in so far. Got more lures, more reels coming in. Just because mostly my old reels, I kind of wanna put them on the side and kind of so I can pass it down to my boy later on. I don't want to. I actually already broke my dial wall, but better get on to the unboxing. So using the Benchmade, I think the sheep's foot. I actually want to do this unboxing today because tomorrow I might be going fishing, so I actually want to try use these lures. I have never caught a fish with a popper yet. I caught fish with the Yo-Zuri lures. I caught fish with squid with the grubs. I caught fish with bait, but yet I have never caught a fish with a popper. So that being said, I am thinking I might be throwing these out tomorrow. Tsunami bottle style popper. Same thing, Tsunami bottle style popper. I threw the last two Tsunamis I bought, and they actually felt good. They flew far. They had a lot of weight to them, so they flew far. So I really hope that these work. I figure I'd try one with a pinkish. These lures, in my opinion, wasn't cheap, but knowing how much lures out there costs, this is actually really cheap, so it'll be worth it once I catch something. Then I can have more confidence in it. Maybe I gotta learn how to work the lure first. That part I'm not too sure yet, so anyway, let's just stop this video. Have a good day, and I'll come back to you after all my other stuff comes in. I got plenty of stuff coming in because I actually, each time eBay sends me a coupon for like 15% off or 20% off, then I kind of add stuff to my cart. Then I kind of figure out what I need. Sometimes I'm lame and I forget. I order everything, then I say, oh, I could have used this. Oh, I could have used that. I could have used line. I could have used something else. So I didn't really optimize the percentage off, but it is what it is, and I get anxious and I just buy whatever else, like this Power Pro line that I bought. Still sitting waiting for the reel, because this is what, 30-pound test. Waiting for the 4,500 and the 5,500. The 4,500 would be the Spin Fisher, and the 5,500 would be the Slammer. The Slammer I got well under $200, maybe 160 or 180, which is actually a good price for the Slammer, I think. So anyway, have a good day. Let's put away my knife and get on to work. Thank you. Hi everybody. So I was doing an unboxing video. This is gonna be added on to that. This is unboxing, I think, lures from China. The amount I spent for this is so ridiculously low. I forget, maybe $5. I still have not caught a single fish off of a popper, so it gives me 5 times the amount to try to catch a fish with a popper. Caught fishes many different ways, but still haven't caught one with a popper. Maybe the poppers I'm using is too big for the area I'm going. So, downsizing. As you can hear, I'm still under the weather. Downsizing to a small little popper. These are pretty cool though. I really hope that something attacks these poppers, because I'm getting kind of discouraged about using poppers. Each time I throw it out, nothing even oh, there is only one thing that really was trying to go after it. Was what are those? Yeah, like a stickfish, but has plenty teeth, and it has a long nose. So that's the only thing I ever got hit on, but still didn't get hooked up because all it was doing was just, I think I saw bite marks on the side of a popper, but it was trying to eat it, whatever it was. But so basically it's a stickfish, the one with the plenty teeth. So hopefully this will catch me the fish I want. I want to catch the papillo or trevally. I want to catch a barracuda. Something not like a stickfish. Anyway, I'm gonna keep on compiling this video a little bit more, and I know more stuff should be coming in. Thank you. Have a good day. Hi, this should be my last unboxing for this video. I put like 3 different unboxing all in one. I think this is about enough. Let's try to get this thing open. It's just I don't want to show my name again. I have to erase everything because my editing skill is not very great. I edited out the wrong thing because I just don't understand what I gotta do. So right now, this should be a sinking SP minnow. Sinking. Almost all my lures I have is all floating, so I figure try the sinking one. This is a set of 3 for about $25, so I saved like $5. Maybe a little bit more. But I figured try a sinking one to cover a little bit deeper. Anyway, here keep on seeing everybody talk about SP minnow. I gotta try it. I've always been using Yo-Zuri. Don't always catch much off of Yo-Zuri, but I always get some sort of interest, but not catch. Anyway, so here, like anything else, I do still love my watches. I have my Oris on. So have a good thank you for watching. This is Daiwa SP Minnow. Have a good day.